Here we go, 4th graders. Your warning target today is how can I solve a multi-step division number story? For our discussion today in group, I would like you to come to group and be ready to discuss something fun you did over the weekend. So something fun that I did over the weekend was took my son to T-ball on Saturday. So let's take a look at those multi-step division number stories. Josh and two of his friends went on a lemonade stand. Hot Saturday, they spent $171 for $5. They need $36 to pay for their supplies. If the boys split the money evenly, the remaining money evenly, how much did Josh make per hour? So some things we don't know from this is we don't know how much each boy gets if they split the money evenly, and we don't know how much money Josh makes per hour. We do know they sold $171 worth of lemonade in 5 hours, and they need $36 to pay for their supplies. So I could write this as an equation. So I'll have to do that over here. And then do 171 minus 36 because I need to know how much they have left over after they paid for their supplies. And I can put a parenthesis there to show I do that first. Then, when I go back here, we want to know how much they made per hour to figure out how much Josh made per hour. So I need to divide it by 5. I'm going to put a second parenthesis there to show to do that next. But then when I go here, it says Josh and two of his friends. So that means they split the money 3 ways. So then I would divide this by 3. So first off, I need to do 171 minus 36, which is 135. So I'll get 135 divided by 5 divided by 3. So now I need to figure out 135 divided by 5. So I'm going to go to a new page. And what I can do is I'm going to do partial quotients. So I'm going to take off, I'm going to subtract here 100, because I know that 5 times 20 equals 100. I'm going to underline that to know that I'm using that. So then I have left 35. So I'm left with 5 divided by 35, which is 7. So I know that I have 5 times 7 equals 35. If I add these together, 5 divided by 135 is 27. So let's go back here. So now I have 27 divided by 3, which is 9. The mistake I made up here was not having a letter for the unknown, which would be P. So I know that each boy for this problem made 9. This is going to be a very difficult thing to do today, but I know that you can do it. So that is how we do division 2-step problems. Bring your math journal and pencil to group.